Hey there, today we're going to review the top 5 best coffee machines for you. All items are available on AliExpress with the best ratings and lots of satisfied buyers. We considered reviews, orders, price, durability, quality, and overall value. This list brings you only the best of the best. Product links are in the description, don't forget to check them out. Number 5. HiBREW H10A Espresso Machine. The HiBREW H10A is a semi-automatic espresso maker built with a strong stainless steel body for durability. With a 20-bar pressure system, it ensures rich and bold espresso every time. The temperature is adjustable, giving you control over your brewing style. Its 58mm professional portafilter makes it suitable for coffee lovers who enjoy cafe-quality results at home. With a capacity of up to 10 cups, it's perfect for small families or office use. Stylish, powerful, and reliable, this machine is a strong entry-level option. Number 4. Cafelffe ST695F Coffee Machine. The Cafelffe ST695F is a versatile 4-in-1 coffee machine compatible with Dolce Gusto, Nespresso capsules, ESE pods, and ground coffee. Its stainless steel housing and compact design make it a stylish addition to any kitchen. With a 2-cup capacity, it's perfect for personal use or sharing with a partner. The machine is simple to use yet offers rich espresso with good crema. Certified for safety and performance, it is designed for durability. This is an ideal choice for coffee lovers who want flexibility in their brewing options. Number 3. HiBREW H11 Slim Espresso Maker. The HiBREW H11 is a slim and modern espresso machine designed for small spaces without compromising power. With 20-bar pump pressure, it delivers full-bodied espresso, cappuccinos, and more. It supports ground coffee as well as ESE pods, giving you multiple brewing choices. Its stainless steel finish ensures durability and easy maintenance. The machine can prepare up to 5 cups, making it suitable for individuals or couples. Compact yet powerful, the H11 is perfect for stylish coffee making at home. Number 2. GZZT CM6005 Espresso Machine. The GZZT CM6005 is a high-performance commercial coffee machine built for cafes or serious home baristas. With a 3100W double pump and triple heating system, it can brew espresso and steam milk simultaneously. Its PID temperature control ensures precision, while the 58mm commercial-grade brewing head offers consistent results. The LCD microcomputer display makes operation simple and professional. It supports multiple water feeding options, from purifier to central pipeline. Built tough with stainless steel, this machine is a workhorse for heavy use. Number 1. Foombthe Portable Coffee Maker. The Foombthe Portable 3-in-1 Coffee Maker is designed for home, office, or travel use. It features a smart digital display showing brewing temperature, time, and battery level for complete control. With 20-bar high-pressure extraction, it delivers rich and aromatic espresso anywhere. The stainless steel water tank has clear markings, and its compact size makes it easy to carry. It supports capsules, ground coffee, and pods, offering true versatility. With USB charging and portability, this machine is perfect for coffee on the go.
Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for the latest product reviews and recommendations. See you in the next video.